What's up? Yeah, thank you. I'm straight out of here. Like, oh, shit, he already crashed. Oh, god dang, Nick already went down.
I think I broke that shit. What the? Dude, that's crazy, bro.
That's crazy.
And this is our first impression.
Right when we get here, bro, blowing up your lot, man.
Oh no.
Yeah, here we got critters playing music and big parade vibes going on. Oh, straight out of here. Straight out of here. Straight out of here. Yeah, you got it. She said, don't come back here. Bunch of freaks and geeks. Sure nobody's on my tail. The Red Devils playing some tunes. Got all the vibes out here today. Jamming. Whole neighborhood be jamming. What's up? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, appreciate it. Have a great day. Wow, we got like zombies and people staying alive out here. Yeah, oh man, spooky, spooky. I'm scared. I'm scared. Whole female zombies. Oh my god. Cool 5 Points Parade is going off. Deep South Marching Band bringing in. Let's go, let's go.
Hey, Rob.
Boys.
Big dog on the campus.
Bro.
What's up?
I just got stuck in the parade.
Did you seriously? Dude, I told you.
Chicks for days over there. There's like 40 zombie chicks.
Bro, proper f***ing group activity. Hey, I'm riding here. Tap in if you want. Oh, hell yeah.
Ran right into some heavy hitters. We got Gnarly Nick and a J Needs Tires guy right outside with us today. Woo! Alright, go right. The other gas station. Oh, yeah, this one's, if we're not going to stay long, this Chevron's good as long as there's nobody, like no G. You're on a dirt bike, we'll follow you. Alright, I just glance in there, make sure there's no popos, and then we're good. What bike is he different on?
Hog, yeah.
Fancy, fancy.
Oh, that's a nice hog. Oh, it's got knobbies on it? Hog and man?
Damn.
Hog with knobbies. Hog with knobbies at? That's a hog with knobbies. Holy shit, there's a dino with knobbies on it.
Hog and knob. Who's hot? Who's not? Oh, reppin'.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Nick's always tearing this stretch up. Oh my god, that gnarly Nick. Sheesh! Woo! Right here, these airport curves. Out here in these airport curves. The busiest airport in the world. Yeah, dude, that's sick. Backside. Taking the airplane right out. We're gonna go straight. Green Tea, Arizona. Hi.
You need a hog.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I'm doubtful. I don't know about that.
It's not as bad.
Dude, I'm too old for a hog. cool spot. Digging it. Oh, good job with the earmuffs. Oh, big bike. Big bike. Oh shit, he already crashed. Oh god dang, Nick already went down. Bro!
Oh my god.
Okay, bro?
Scrapped. I heard that.
Oh, shit.
I think I broke that shit.
Dang.
Yeah, I smacked that thing pretty good. So the kickstand.
Some slick stuff over there, son. Go easy on it, go easy on it, go easy. Let it stop bleeding, it'll stop.
Damn, there's a fence there? I knew he didn't see that shit, bro. I knew he didn't see that shit. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What happened?
Yeah, he ran straight into it.
no way.
It came straight up off the leads.
Dang.
Yeah. Yeah, he broke through it.
It looks like it stopped bleeding.
Damn, brother.
He always gets right back up.
Do you have any lacerations anywhere from that?
Yeah.
Busted through it and
I
not.
don't even think I hit the ground.
You busted it
I
open?
mean, I rolled on the ground.
Yeah, your back probably. I think your back hit.
What did you hit?
We could do a replay
That's
now.
old.
That's old.
See that replay now.
Just
What
taking
did you
it.
hit, bro? The tire or the?
That's
Oh
crazy.
my God,
It's
dude.
so crazy because I was about to stop.
You had it?
That's
I was worried about that.
Dude.
I seen. Boy, I'm so glad that post broke and swung open.
Right.
Oh my god.
You were wheelie down too. He sat down.
Damn, dog. If he had to go through that bitch, he'd be all cut up. Thank God it busted open like that.
You said you was about to stop too, huh?
Stop recording.
Damn. Keep set it down, yeah.
Yeah, this is
Bro.
leans that way.
Yeah. Naturally comes this way anyway.
Yeah.
What the? Dude, that's crazy, bro.
That's crazy.
Holy shit.
Keep going.
Gnarly Nick, man.
Oh my God. You were so lucky that thing ripped open the fence, bro.
Yeah.
Right.
Gave some at least. Well, he's still.
Because he was
Right.
smacked
still
all in it.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. If he want to move.
That's a good thing that thing was an old fence, huh?
So I think that it was already broken a little bit. 'Cause this brick's rusted
Yeah.
and this is fresh.
It looks like somebody bent it originally. They probably bent it back, so.
This way and he broke it off.
Yeah. That's a sturdy pole of concrete if it wasn't the case. Barbed wire, too? Barbed wire? Nick. Fart. Fart. Nick. Man, there's pieces of the fence right there. This guy. Low key. What the fuck? I thought he hit the squeeze. Is that like some oil out there or something?
Oh?
Is that like oil?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I thought he hit that. I thought he hit that, and then
I think it's a slope, bro. The slope is
that doesn't help.
crazy,
Yeah.
bro.
Hey, he just made this wider though.
Right.
Bro, just
More room to
I
shred.
was thinking, it's like, dude, if a bike malfunctions
Yeah.
at the wrong time, dude,
Yeah. Goes into the fence,
that's not a good day, bro.
bro.
It hurts. I mean, it's not like blindingly painful, but I break shit and I don't even know it, so I gotta just last Sunday.
You're
Yeah, I seen that video.
last weekend.
Last weekend.
His arm still ain't right, man. His arm still ain't right. Hopped right up, man. Gnarly Nick style.
Because I thought the bike was about to run me over. I'm like, that's
Right.
my biggest fear when you go down. You gotta
Mhm.
watch out for that bike coming out.
Wondering where that mug is.
You hit the right side? I don't know. I'm scared.
Outside with it.
I
Damn.
think this is our first impression.
Right when we get here, bro, blowing up your lot, man.
Your lot, we literally break the gate.
Just breaking shit. We can't even get here with
On it. Sorry, guys.
breaking shit. Oh god.
Also, when I had stopped the rev limiter, I let the clutch out, which lurched me forward. I got a speed boost as I was dropping the wheel.
Oh,
I let the clutch out too early.
Alright. Swerve the truck. Let's go. Swerve the truck and out the parking lot. Got full water? The ram mounts? Thanks, bro. It's really the bike. The bike does everything.
No, it doesn't.
I'm telling you. You push the brake and twist this thing, it just does that.
I mean, we seen the surf right?
Oh!
Is that a surf swerving?
I was like, dude, if I can stay straight on this thing, that means I'm kind of turning.
You are kind of turning.
Yeah. Like we always talk about, practice a little, bring it back. You got something going. We made it to the wheelie lot. Oh, God. Gnarly Nick took out the fence.
Oh no. Oh my God.
Man, we're gonna call it a big wrap on this video. After the fence smash, we love everybody for watching. Have a great night.